Develop Your Intuitive Healing is the second course in the Quantum Crystal Healing Collection.
I'm Sonia Wilkins. I'm a certified crystal therapist, Reiki master teacher, MBTI coach, author and podcaster, and I'm so excited to be sharing these life-changing tools and techniques with you.
This course will teach you how to care for your crystals, integrate them into your home and life. You will gain a deep understanding of how to dowse with pendulums. You'll learn how to meditate and journey with your chakra stones and how to shapeshift energy. Through this deep work, you will form a connection with your crystals and grow your inner crystalline matrix. All of this means you will be able to call upon your new and powerful inner resources to tap into your crystals wherever you are, giving you healing energy whenever you need it. If you are new to using crystal energy, this course will both broaden and deepen your understanding of the healing power of crystals. If you are already experienced in energy healing, this course will connect you with your supernatural powers and enable new, multi-dimensional healing skills.
I would love you to enrol on my course because I so enjoy sharing this valuable knowledge. I will always be here to answer your questions along the way and support you while you develop your intuitive healing. So I very much look forward to seeing you soon.